in 2006, Dr. Daniel Pink, he wrote a book called A Whole New Brain. And he said the 21st century was going to belong to right brain thinkers. And if you look back at the 20th century, at the beginning of the industrial boom, everything was driven by left brain thinkers. But today, humanity has shifted. And you see it with the rise of ADHD and more people realizing they're on the spectrum, right? We're in a creative state as a collective, and it's global. So that's one aspect of it. People want freedom. They want to be able to contribute. They want to be able to create. And plugging people in like batteries in the workforce no longer works.